So this is what's going to happen. You'll be cutting and gluing onto illustration board. Okay, so on my handout, color handout has this page with small squares. And you can make a viewfinder by cutting this. Okay, so this one you can just, I have a cardboard underneath so I can cut comfortably. You have two, okay? You don't have to use two, but let's do another one for tint and shade, which is only half space needed. So I'm gonna make exactly half to make line here. Okay, and maybe I can use this one for cutting the tint and shade. Okay, so this is what you should do. Use this viewfinder to choose the best part. Okay, so primarily you will be using this for hues, pure hues, and value scale, and this small one for tint and shade. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one. I think just choose area you don't have that much brush mark. Some area is a little bit funky, some area is a little bit better. So choose area as the most flat area, okay? And then use this as a template and for the cutting. Okay, and I assume you have your color board with all this location already marked up already. This is a yellow orange. Shoot, I already have yellow orange here. Sorry. So what you should do is, gosh, I should have. This looks like an orange. I should glue on top of it. Use a glue. Different paper, but choice. And in order to make it securely adhere, this probably you have to push tight around the edges by using another sheet of paper. Okay. And as you see, shade and the tint are just only half size. Okay, so that's what you should choose for cutting small shapes. Make sense? Okay, so you can do this process between today and Wednesday class, or you can do this over the weekend, but eventually everything you have painted on Bristol has to be cut and glued onto different surface.